Punta kami sa rooftop, doon kami magsisindi ng mga paputok. Yala! Invite muna namin yung mga anak ng bawab para makasama namin, makapag-enjoy silang manood ng fireworks. Happy New Year everyone! Dito kami ngayon sa taas ulit para manood ng fireworks. At so how they will find us?
They will come.
Okay.
أهم. تعالى من الأول.
Hamad.
بيوتنا حلوة.
It's really cold here. Kalibalak Muhammad. Kalibalak ka?
اضرب. ماشي تعبان يلا.
طبعا.
ادي. يا جدع انت. تعبانين دول ولا ايه؟ يلا ولع. يلعبوا.
Are you afraid? Talia, we are still. Ayan, nagsisimula na ang putukan.
اديله.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
ايوه اديله ايه؟
Don't
جاي
ka.
عليا ولا ايه؟
Kalibala. Ay!
اديله.
Ay! Wow!
هو ده فين التاني؟ يلا. ايوه هابي نيو يير.
Happy New Year!
انت بتعمل ايه؟ جود. جود ولا؟
Muhammad,
من بعيد.
come back. It's time to eat.
Where's his sister?
First day ng taon, gumagala kami. Dito sa Egypt, hindi lahat may bakasyon. Selected lang, katulad ng Bangkok. May kita ninyo, halos lahat ng mga shops bukas. Gold shop, bukas. Doon naman, yung mga shops doon, ang closed lang, isang salon, Zahara, nasa taas. Kalimitan ng mga shops, bukas. Tataka kayo kung bakit New Year walang bakasyon. Iba kasi ang New Year ng mga Muslim. Doon may bakasyon. See?
Do things like mine. You know? No, this is not mine. Look, that's not mine. Mom, look at it.
عدي ولا بتصور نفسك الثانية؟
Play skateboard.
لا لا كده نسيت عليك.
2026. Here we are.
Mom, I want to touch it. McDonald's.
Wow. Maganda yung place na to.
Mommy, I want to touch it.
Wait. Be with me. Daddy wants to go to the toilet. Ang laki ng lugar na to. Makikita mo dito yung malalaking restaurants, mga food chains, at mga shops. Mafe-feel mo talaga ang holidays dito. Dad, I'll take photo for you and the kids here. It's nice. Walk, I'm getting photo for you. Video. Fine.
فكرت انت؟ بدنا نسيب
Hela, go.
There? Mom, suppose that time we can brush my teeth because I'm not brushing well.
Hot.
Thank you, Mom. Mommy, Mommy can touch the bowl.
This one funny.
It's hot.
This one for wings.
It's
Mom, there's a lot of things in the house.
Mom didn't see the playground. The store
Place, why we don't take some.
hmm?
We're only coming here for nothing.
You will play?
Playground?
Yeah.
Look around all. I want them to play.
Oh, there is a bazaar here.
That's the only one for the one in Green Plaza, no? This is not for you.
Yeah, that's dangerous also.
I'm tapping like this. Mommy, I'm tapping like this too, Mom.
So why you did not bring your card? Oh my God.
Mom, that's not cool.
Huh?
That's not cool. We don't need cards now.
No.
Mom, that's no. When they're cool, it's okay.
It's a big place.
We don't have that.
What's that zone?
Mom. We have this.
Ah, that's
Mom,
what
Ah,
in front
yeah.
of you, cousin. Cousin. This is cousin.
Like amazing story.
Here we play. Our place, okay? This where we play. This what we
So which place you played?
Amazing. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. Come here Sunday. Let's put this videos. Okay?
to play now. Mom, my teachers were playing in this car.
Do like this, but come out down inside.
Mom, yeah, this is my
Okay. No, I think we can go like this. Ah. We're lost. Laki kasi. Shops. Everywhere. Gutom na kami. Pabalik kami ngayon sa lugar kung saan namin nakita yung food chain. Masarap daw doon mag-dine-in. Let's eat! Everyone, gutom na kami. Okay? Wait, Talia.
Charlie, that's your boss. Okay.
Let's go inside. Leave it, Tamara. Leave it. Yes. We can go. They don't have. This is our place. How about there? Up. Here, okay. Pauwi na kami. Tapos na kaming kumain. Tapos na rin kaming mag-lakwatsa. Gabi na. It's time to go home. Happy New Year ulit. See you again.